How to integrate Monday.com email with Gmail. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Monday.com and go to the workspace where you want to integrate Gmail. Click on Apps from the left menu and search for Gmail. 2. Click Add to Board and select the board where you want to set up the integration. 3. Choose an automation rule such as, when an item is created, send an email via Gmail and click Create Integration. Sign into your Gmail account and grant permissions for Monday.com to send emails on your behalf. 5. Customize the email template by defining the subject, recipient, and message body using Monday.com column values. Click Save and test the integration by adding a new item to the board and checking if the email is sent successfully. 7. If needed, adjust the settings to ensure the integration functions correctly for your workflow.